we've had Atlas's birthday this weekend, and it was really good. We had a small get together at our house, and mainly what I call my soul family was there. And what a soul family is to me is just my soul has chosen a family, which entails friends and relatives, but they're people that just create a really nice family for our family. And yeah, we ate beautiful food. Ariel's come to sit with me. Yeah, we had really good food. I had amazing cake from Rafter and Rose, which is in Ipswich. It was a dairy gluten-free cake, which I'll pop a photo here for you. It was amazing. The reason why it's pink is because Atlas's favorite food is raspberries, and it's like a kind of natural-ish cake. So obviously it's pink and there's no colouring and stuff in it. So yeah, it ended up being chocolate and raspberries, but he loved it. He slept majority of the actual party. And the reason why I'm actually doing this vlog is I wanted to talk about something that I actually did for his first birthday. Was that instead of having presents, we decided to do this thing called a fiver party, and it's been going around the internet. But what a fiver party is because when you're a mum and as your kids grow up, you're going to be going to so many kids' parties over a year, and that's a lot of money on kids' presents, and you may, you know, double up on presents. They may be something the kid won't even like. It may be something like you really didn't want to get the kid because you might have core values and beliefs on like how to educate your children, what kind of toys they have and all that kind of stuff. So we decided to actually get a have a fiver party. So what that is bringing a $5 note in a card, and all the money will go towards something he actually needs. So we got, I think it was like $70 in total, and we're just going to put that into the savings account. And a couple of people couldn't resist, so someone got him a really cool Tonka, it's like a Tonka truck, but it's actually got a light on it, like a torch, which I thought was really cool. And got him like some flashcards, so like A for apple, B for bear and stuff like that, which I actually love because I was like, that's something he can learn. Yeah, my mum bought him like this really big Fisher-Price house thing, and my dad got him an outdoor playground, which is really cool. But yeah, it was really cool to enjoy. It was very different, I'll tell you that, having to plan a party thinking about kids being involved. And I was joking to my brother, and I was like, kids at a party, it's like an 18th birthday, but no alcohol and crazy, which is quite funny. I'm buggered now. And tomorrow's Mother's Day. Oh my god, so tomorrow's Mother's Day, and I bought myself my present because I said, Ashley, I want to buy myself pajamas, and I'll put them on lay-by, so you can pick them up. But by the time it got to the weekend of Atlas's birthday Friday, the party Saturday, and then Mother's Day Sunday, I was like, fuck it, don't worry, I'll pick them up. Like, it's fine. Anyway, so I wanted to show you the I was like, it's not Sunday, by the way, guys, it's Saturday still. And I was like, you know what? I want them now. So, it says, can't be slothed. And the slippers say the same. How cool are my slippers? These are my pajamas, and I'm just so happy because it's been really cold. I wanted them now. I bought them. I know what they are, therefore I want to wear them now. But yeah, that's what I wanted to talk about. I just thought it was a really cool idea to share with you what we did for his birthday instead of getting all the toys. So yeah, make sure you like and subscribe, and if you want any more things or have any questions in regards to like mum life and stuff for me, please feel free to pop it in a comment, because I'm more than happy to make it into a video. But yeah, that's all for me now. I'm gonna go enjoy spending time with a bit of my family, and yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing day.